Hey guys, my name is Matt Chapman, owner of Hype Customs and Classics. I just want to take a few minutes to tell you about my background, how I got into building custom cars and classic vehicles. My journey started out in 2010 as a panel beater apprentice at Canberra Auto Refinishes in Canberra, obviously. It's in the name. But that's where I did my trade. I spent 5 years there. That's where I learned all the fundamentals of how to pull a car apart, how to put it back together, all the joins and everything. Smashwork's definitely a lot different to the custom restoration world, but I feel like you need those basic fundamental skills to be able to do what I do. Otherwise, you've got a lot of learning to do. So after 5 years at Canberra Auto Finishes, I was still very passionate about custom cars and modifying cars. I had a mini truck myself. I was cutting up at home in my dad's shed. One of my mates was working at Downtown Customs up in Taree. He was doing some cool work and that's exactly what I wanted to do. One thing led to another and there I was up in Taree working for Downtown Customs. Downtown Customs specialised in full builds they were doing a lot of mini trucks at the time, hot rods, and they was breaking into the street machine muscle car scene at the time. This was in 2015, I started at Downtown. Throughout my time at Downtown Customs, I did my spray painting apprenticeship. I got into a lot of metal shaping, fabricating, high-end bodywork, finishing off cars, cutting and buffing, everything in between really. It's a lot different to the Smash game, but I found it a lot more enjoyable and satisfying. But going from 40 cars a week just to doing 1 or 2 a year, it's a big difference and you can take the time. I was lucky enough to be involved in some of the big builds at Downtown Customs that won many awards from Motorex, Summer Nats, made covers of Street Machine magazine. Throughout those years, I learned how to be very versatile with my skills. I'm pretty proud of what I've achieved with the team. Made some good friends along the way. Met a lot of cool people. Went to a lot of cool places. So after 10 and a bit years at Downtown with Graham and the team, Graham moved the main shop down to Rutherford, which gave me the opportunity to purchase all the equipment here and the booth and start my own business, which is now Hype Customs and Classics. So that's how I started here. I've been here since August 25, just solo at the moment, but work's definitely picking up. I've got a lot of cool cars coming in soon, so I'm probably going to be looking for people. I feel like doing what I do, you need to have patience. Patience is number one thing I think everyone needs in this line of work. If you're losing your cool every 5-10 minutes over simple things, you're just going to make it harder for yourself. So if it's really what you want to do, just keep pushing forward. Don't just stick with what you know. Jump out, learn new things, ask people questions, watch videos. It's a friendly scene I've come across. Had a lot of support with this business so far. And I'm very thankful for all those people that have reached out. So I'm currently in the fab shop here, which I put a video up last week of, and still yet to show you the paint and prep bays next door, which is coming. But I've got a lot of cool cars coming in the door soon. So that's why I want to do this YouTube channel, just to show you what's going on, give you some tips, tricks, answer questions, show you what's coming in and out the doors. I know I'm interested in everyone else's shops and what they do and how they set things up and everything like that. I learned a lot of my skills just watching YouTube. It's a very helpful tool. Not only that, you get to meet more people. Honestly, this is why I started my apprenticeship panel beating all those years ago, because it was a dream back then to have my own shop. It's definitely a pinch yourself moment. Old me would have never believed what I've got now. It's been a fun little journey setting up the shop, how I like it. Still a lot to do. but it all takes time, and I want to take you guys along the journey with me. There's a lot behind the scenes that you don't really see in these little shops. I know this stuff interests me. I would watch hours and hours of YouTube videos of other shops. There's a lot that goes into these projects, and I just want to share what I'm passionate about with other passionate people. You'll get regular shop updates, what's going on. I'll teach you whatever I can. If you've got anything you want to know, don't be afraid to ask. That's how you learn. My goal is to keep pushing out high quality work, push my skills even further, grow the business, and see where it takes me. So that's a bit about Hype Customs and Classics and myself. I hope you enjoy this video and stay tuned for the next. I'll promise to show you the paint booth next, all the prep bays, what goes on in there. But if you like it and you want to see more, please subscribe, like, follow, all that stuff, comment. Let me know what you want to see, anything you need to know. I'm happy to help.